Hey everybody, welcome back. So yes, today is Wednesday. We are in the middle of the week. Happy Wednesday everybody. We are almost to the weekend. So guys, I hope that you guys are ready to see this DIY. I am so ready to present it to you. So if you guys are ready to see this, just keep on watching. I will be taking this vase from the Dollar Tree. I will also be using one of these bowls. They come in a 4-pack and these are from the Dollar Tree. My medium-sized glitter as well as my jumbo glitter, and just mixing it up in a bowl with my Mod Podge. Guys, so this is how they look after the first coat, and so what I want to do is just keep building up my coverage. I'll be taking this old Yankee Candle jar and just cleaning it out. Okay guys, I'm going to be going in with these here, and these are just left over from my last project. So what they are is just the top of the spoon, I guess the scoop part of the spoon, however you want to call it, or whatever. I'm going to be using this. Alright guys, I'm going to take my blade and just clean up some of this glue that I have here. Okay, so now that I have them all complete, I'm going to go ahead and assemble them. Alright, I'm going to be taking this tray from the Dollar Tree. I'll also be using these 4-inch round mirrors that I picked up from Joann's. They come in a 4-pack, but I'm only going to use one. Using this Tupperware container to help me to hold up my mirror so that I can apply my strips that I cut out. Guys, now I'm going to go in with these spoons from the Dollar Tree. everybody, that's it. That's all that I have today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you. If you guys like what you saw, please hit that subscription button as well as the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.